Welcome to Longevity Industries' presentation of the Destiny of Manufacturing podcast. I'm your host, Dean Phillips, and I am on Tennessee Tech's campus via Zoom today. So it's great to be here. And I'd like to thank the university for helping to put this together, especially Dr. Fadan for helping with organize all of this. And thank you to all of the students who've been kind enough to allow us to have time with them. With me, my next student is James Femi-Oyetoro. Did I pronounce that right, sir?
Yeah, you tried. Good.
Close enough, is that right, James?
Yeah, it was a good attempt.
Thank you, James.
Yeah.
So it's good to have you here.
Yeah, thanks.
And what do you see changing over the next 5 years for technology and for manufacturing? What's exciting that you see coming?
Okay, personally, I'm just gonna leap from the present moment. At the beginning of the year, something unprecedented happened, which is the COVID-19. And looking back, if this had happened like some few decades back, it would have affected most manufacturing companies devastatingly. But we see that with the influx of Internet of Things, cyber physical systems, a lot of companies were still able to continue with the whole production. And at the end of the day, the negative impact of the COVID-19 on the manufacturing industry wasn't that too bad. You know, I have a lot of folks that continued internship virtually, even in the manufacturing industry. And we see that this is the possibilities, the advancement in manufacturing and technology has presented to us at this moment. So 5 years from now, I see manufacturing and technology like growing rapidly and being also able to have the features to challenge any form of opposition that might want to arise in the future.
Great. Yeah. I think you made some very good points there, because technology has really helped us through this COVID disturbance, is the best way I can put it. It's really accelerated technology in many ways, at least our adaptation to using it. So that's great. Tell me what got you into engineering.
So right from when I was a kid, I kind of had this flair for fixing up things, uh, go around looking for like damaged stereo systems so that I could extract the electric rotor from that and probably make a miniature electric controlled rotor car. And aside from the fact that I believe I have a good background in the sciences and mathematics, funny enough, all my siblings are in the art sciences and my parents, and I felt that kind of gave me the background and also the support I had. And looking at the fact that coming into engineering, there were a lot of opportunities, where I could show my creativity and get results that kind of impact people living around and even the globe in a positive way. So those are one of the reasons or the points that really gave me the enthusiasm to want to pursue a degree in engineering.
Very good. Tell me, what's one of the favorite technologies that you've had an opportunity to learn through engineering?
Okay, so coming to the United States, I haven't really dealt too much about application of, let's say, computer programming in the field of engineering, especially in manufacturing. So currently, my research is moving around the application of machine learning in additive manufacturing, and you know reading through literatures, trying to form my program of study, I see the abundance of opportunities, the benefits, computer programming, machine learning, artificial intelligence, the kind of impact it can have on the manufacturing industry is quite overwhelming. And it shows a lot of excitement for me to really jump on it, learn so much, and see the possibility of gaining so much academic experience that in the future I could leverage on that experience and also do something productive.
Do you have a dream job that you look forward to?
Um, sh- I'll say, yeah, I do. I have a kind of a dream role, and when you look at engineering in general at itself, you see, it brings a lot of positive impact. At the time, it was inability to move at a very fast pace within a kind of box-like structure. And we've seen a lot of advancement in the automotive industry. I see that as trying to solve a global challenge. So I feel a dream job for me will be to be part of a team that is solving challenges that kind of affect the world, getting out solutions to, just like at the moment where everybody is going through the whole pandemic, coming out with a vaccine and trying to reduce the effect of the COVID-19 is like a huge uh, solution to the world's problem. So a kind of a firm or a job that gives me that platform to be able to affect the world positively is a dream role or a dream job for me.
Excellent. Tell me, what is it that you are the most proud of as an engineer?
Oh, okay. I'll probably say my journey yet to getting advanced degree outside my country. It could be a very daunting and challenging task to be able to move from Africa here to the United States. And yeah, it wasn't really easy, but at the end of the day, I'm here. And to me, I personally, I feel it's one of the achievements of so many to come. And that kind of gives me a sense of courage, a sense of commitment, and a sense of task for more accomplishments in my personal endeavors.
And you should be very proud of that.
Yeah, thanks. Very proud.
It, who is your one of your biggest influences or your greatest influence?
Okay, I'm gonna say my parents because they happen to be like a first generation college student, and they went as far as also getting advanced degree, and that kind of impacted not just me and also my siblings, and yeah, it was like we seeing it for ourselves at home, the kind of sacrifices my parents had to make, the kind of impact they made on us. And it was really quick for us to learn from example and also pursue our dreams. And I can gladly say I also have my two siblings here in the United States pursuing their PhDs and the masters in advanced sciences. And I think that testifies to the fact that they really made a positive impact in us.
Excellent. That's great to hear. Tell me if there's some things that you see in either in technology or even in education. What are some of the things that you see that are the ghost in the machine or things that are going to create problems down the road that we may not yet have realized, but are going to cause a problem or may even be something that we're just overlooking?
Okay, I would say, yeah, like in the academic setting, like Ankit said before, there are a lot of research you really want to go into, and you have this limitation because the kind of instruments or the printers you have cannot exceed the particular limit, and that in one way or the other kind of impacts the results or the research you can venture into. And I feel that's a limitation. I think another thing is for us to imbibe this form of interdisciplinary interaction where we engage in research that is going to go beyond we just inviting students, professors just in engineering. We can move outside of engineering to actually have a broader and a bigger horizon of problems that we are trying to tackle. Because I feel at the end of the day, we're going to get into the industry, and we have to work with people with diverse backgrounds in terms of their educational attainment and achievement. So I feel those two points, I think, uh, a really nice work needs to be done on that to really prepare students for the outside world.
Very good. Do you think you're more excited or are you more terrified by artificial intelligence coming down the road?
No, I'm not terrified, and I'm just going to paraphrase what one of my friends said one time to me, and he was saying the only people that might likely be terrified by all these are people that don't know so much about it, because I believe at the end of the day, most of these boards and artificial intelligence programs are written by humans. So if as a student I want to be part of the people who are really dictating how the artificial intelligence works, how the robot works, or whatsoever computer software is going to be adapted into the system, definitely uh, so the goal is for me to want to learn new things, and in the process of learning new things, I don't think I'm going to be terrified by the advancement made by uh, the advancement made by either artificial intelligence or computer software in the industry.
Do you have a job that when you look at your career, is there a job and a thing that you're looking for specifically from a company you would go to work for? Is there something that you want to see that they do or that they present to you or work in a certain technology area?
Personally, I believe if the environment is non-toxic, we can come with a different background, and we can achieve a common goal. I think for me that is one of the priorities, even before talking about maybe the financial benefit and all that. If each and every person can come do his own thing according to the policy of the company to get a common goal, to get results, I feel that is going to be like a good sign for me to want to stay on a job and work with them for the time I'll be available to work.
Very good. Uh, do you see a value in things like certification for manufacturing engineers or technologists or the lean bronze? Do you see a value in these programs?
Yeah, definitely I see value in them. I myself I have few certifications, but not in manufacturing. I have certifications in energy audit, that's in renewable energy, and I feel getting certified certifications like it's a testament to one's ability. And you know, when you know what is being acceptable outside there, when one leaves the graduate school, those are one of those things that is going to put you at an higher pedestal if one is going to look out to work in so many industries. So when they see that you have these certifications, and above all, I feel it's another way to learn, you know, outside the four corners of the college or the university. When you get those certifications, that's another avenue to learn new things and to get grounded in areas of specialization or different fields. So honestly and personally, I think it's a good thing to desire to have and to have it within the time one can.
Very good. Well, it's been great to have you here, James. Thank you for your time and for participating. It's been my pleasure to have you here.
It's my pleasure. Thank you very much.